Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to request money on the Cash App. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I will show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how I make money online. So let's jump into it. If you want to request money, you have to go to the main menu here in the middle, the little Cash App icon or the dollar icon. And here you can type the amount of money that you want to request from anybody. Then just tap on the request button, and here you can type the name of the person that you want to request the money. You can also add a note for what are you requesting and this money, and just tap on the request button. So that's it pretty much. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing because that would be really helpful for me, and see you in the next one. Bye.